Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to change function key settings on the LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. First, enter the BIOS on this laptop. Shut down your computer, turn it on, and while it's launching, repeatedly press the F2 key until you see the BIOS setup dashboard. And select Configuration on the sidebar. Scroll down until you reach the hotkey mode option. By changing this, you'll be able to use hotkey functions by pressing the function key by itself. You can use secondary functions like changing brightness, entering airplane mode, or settings with a single press. If you disable this, you'll have to press the FN button along with each function key to use the secondary functions. Change the value, expand the list, and select Enabled or Disabled. Below that, we also have Foolproof Fan Control. When enabled, your laptop will treat the FN button as a control key when combined with non-function keys. This allows you to use FN instead of Control for shortcuts like Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, etc. These are the two features we can change. To apply changes, press F10 and enter to exit. To discard them, press Escape and enter. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.